Alright, y'all know who it is, you know what it is. Your boy JP comes y'all with another how-to. This is a 2007 Hyundai Tuscan, and we're going to go ahead and take this radio out, install a Kenwood double din. Right now, first thing you want to do is come down here, and you see this little doorway. This little doorway has to be open. Dang, I just lost it. No, I didn't. Alright, and we're going to take those screws out. Once we take these screws out, or at least loosen them up to where we can take the handle off. We don't want to take those all the way out. Oh shoot, well, I can put it back in. Dang, I guess they do gotta come all the way out. Alright. Boom. Alright, take that handle out. Next thing I'm going to do is take me a little flat profile panel removal tool of some sort. Come up here and kind of pop those up. Come here on this side. Put this in the lowest position. Hold on. Alright, just had to go ahead and take that thing off of there. Now we're going to undo this harness. There's probably just some interior lighting for that, and we're probably going to have to undo all of these because I know this God dog happens to the best of us. Alright, y'all, so even though I've taken those two Phillips out, looks like we're going to have to take all of these out, just so we can remove this piece, and then that way this piece can come off freely, because I've already stuck my hand up here, and they're only held in by clips, so as long as we can get this to move freely and get out of there, we should be good. So I'm going to continue to take these Phillips out. Alright, so now that we've taken that little piece off by taking out all those Phillips, just going to lay them on the ground. Like I said, all this stuff right here is held in by those clips, and it's moving a lot more freely as I struggle to get it out. There we go. Alright, AC. Now we got a hella harnesses to unplug. Take that one out, off on that side. And we got the hazards over here. Alright, so now that we've taken those harnesses out, we were able to just move this to the side, and I'm going to go ahead and take out the four Phillips around the bracket. One. Alright, and just that easy, went ahead and took those 4 screws out, pull it straight back, disconnected the main harness with the antenna, and we have that factory radio out. Was not that hard at all. Now we're going to go ahead and wire up the new radio and put the bracket on, and then we'll see you in just a second. Alright, y'all, so the dash kit for the radio, we are using the Kenwood DPX 503 BT. It's really easy. It comes with this little trim piece, and after you get that trim plate, you get the one that goes for the right side, and you stick it in those 2 slots from the inside, and they just kind of fit perfectly. One's small, one's big. Same thing as the other side. And if you are using the or since we are using the Tuscan, in the manual it says we are going to be using the F brackets, so we leave the F and we cut away all the other stuff that we don't need. Now, one thing that you guys need to know is that this bar will be up kind of like that. It's going to be hard to put your single din or double din in there, so you got 2 options. We can cut it, which is what I was prepared to do, or we can just take some pressure and push it down and kind of bend it that way. Now stick our radio in here. Actually slides all the way back how it's supposed to. Not when that is okay. Yeah, so now it slides back how it's supposed to. You may have to do a little bending to get that thing to kind of sit like that, but once we put the screws in, we're gonna be good. So I already have my wire harness wired up, looking all nice and neat. I know you're probably thinking, dang man, you didn't really go over that. Well, I like to keep these videos short and sweet, but for those who don't know how to wire up a radio and want to know, I got a whole list of how-tos right over here. So, like I was saying, that playlist of videos is over here in this card. Now I'm going to actually link the exact video to how to wire up a radio, but then there's also a playlist up under that in the car as far as how-tos. Shows you how to wire up a radio, how to tap in the wires, the steering wheel controls, backup cameras, all that good stuff, because I just like sharing my knowledge. So either way, if you guys want to know how to do all this stuff, you can click on those videos and cards right there in that corner. Other than that, we're going to show you what this radio looks like when it's all said and done. Alright y'all, so that's pretty much it, man. That's what it looks like when it's all said and done and put back together. Don't forget, all the links to this stuff will be in the description below. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'm really happy to be giving you guys some of the knowledge now, so if you find any value in this video, please hit that like button. Until next time, this is your boy JP signing out, and I will see you guys at the next car.